Thank you for watching Sweet Eminence Candle Company. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Here is a really quick tutorial on how to remove old wax melts from a ceramic wax melt warmer. First, light a tea light in order to warm the old wax. We'll use a time lapse to speed up the process. When the center begins to melt, check and see if it's time to remove the old wax. It's not ready yet, so we'll give it a few more seconds. Let's check again. As you can see, the old wax melt will slide off in one piece. Now we can clean the ceramic wax melt warmer because it is ready for a new wax melt. It took approximately 4 minutes for the wax melt to separate from the warmer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.